Warwick's with at Wilberforce. Oh, our next door neighbour had it done and he was very impressed with the professionalism and the speed that they did it and the price. So he thoroughly recommended it, and my other neighbour then said, "I'll make sure you get a couple of quotes." So I did, and to compare apples to apples, I went and compared them all. The guys that came out explained how it all works and what the finances were like. And then once we went through, it was very easy to engage Primo Solar to come and do the install. And then the day they came, it was a wet day, so they did everything they could without being on the roof, and then got it ready for the next day, and sort of just worked in with us when it suited them. So being able to log on and have a look at it and see, changing our habits, seeing what's going on with the hot water. Because of what's happened, we were able to work out what was going on with the hot water heater. That was kicking in the middle of the night, which we don't need, because obviously that was costing us power from the grid. And by turning that off now, you saved $1 a day, and like our power bill's about $6 a day, so it was saving at least 12% straight away. At the moment, if I'm not outlaying money and it's saving me money per day, I'm in front, and I'm getting a better rate of return than I am with the money in my super fund at the moment, and even now with super fund going backwards. It's been a very, very good relationship I've had with Primo Solar, and it's been very professional, and having thoroughly enjoyed it.